Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Olympia Hotel at Capitol Lake. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet-friendly, free parking, free Wi-Fi and a bar. Olympia Hotel at Capitol Lake, located in Olympia, 2.5 miles from Hands-On Children's Museum. Olympia Hotel at Capitol Lake has accommodations with a restaurant, free private parking, a fitness center and a bar. Among the facilities at this property are a 24-hour front desk and a shared lounge, along with free Wi-Fi throughout the property. Some accommodations at the property have a balcony with a lake view. At the hotel, the rooms have a desk, a flat-screen TV, a private bathroom, bed linen and towels. All rooms include a closet. A la carte and American breakfast options are available each morning at Olympia Hotel at Capitol Lake. Washington Center for the Performing Arts is 2 miles from the accommodation, while Olympia Community Center is 2 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Seattle Tacoma International Airport, 52 miles from Olympia Hotel at Capitol Lake. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.